In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically convert a GIF into an MP4 using FFmpeg API and n8n. We'll walk through a simple, fully automated workflow that starts with a clean upload form and ends with a ready-to-download MP4, no manual processing required. Here's what the experience looks like. You land on a straightforward page labeled Convert GIF. You choose a GIF from your computer. Any short looping animation works well. And click Convert. That single click is all you need. From there, the workflow quietly takes over and handles the entire conversion behind the scenes. Right after you submit the file, the workflow contacts FFmpeg API to request a secure, temporary upload link. This link is time-limited and unique to your session, which helps keep your upload safe and isolated. There's no need to expose credentials or store the file on your own server at this stage. With that link in hand, the workflow uploads your GIF directly to FFmpeg API's storage. Because the file goes straight to their cloud, transfers are typically fast and reliable. You don't have to monitor anything, just keep the page open while the system works. Once the upload is complete, the workflow sends a follow-up request asking FFmpeg API to convert the uploaded GIF into an MP4. MP4 is a widely supported video format that usually offers smaller file sizes and smoother playback compared to GIFs, especially on mobile and social platforms. FFmpeg API then processes the conversion in the cloud. Depending on the size of your GIF and current load, this may take a short moment. When it's done, FFmpeg API returns a fresh download link that points to the finished MP4 file. Finally, the workflow updates the page with a clear success message and a download button. Click the link, save the MP4 to your device, and you're finished. You've turned a GIF into a standard video file without touching command lines or video editors. And that's the entire journey. Upload, secure handoff, cloud conversion, and instant download. The system automates every step so you can focus on the result. A clean MP4 that's ready to share, embed, or post wherever you need it. A quick tip as you use it. Shorter, well-optimized GIFs convert faster and yield smaller MP4 files. Keep the browser tab open until the download link appears, and when you see the link, grab your file while it's fresh, since temporary links are designed to expire for security. This workflow is ideal for turning chat stickers, UI demos, or lightweight animations into efficient videos that play nicely across devices and platforms, all without installing software or learning command line options.